Meaning of Filipina.
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 Filipina. Filipina is a noun used to refer to a female person from the Philippines. It is derived from the country's name, Philippines. The term is commonly used in both formal and informal context, and is recognized worldwide. The Philippines is an archipelagic country located in Southeast Asia, known for its diverse culture, pristine beaches, and warm hospitality. Filipino women are highly regarded for their beauty, resilience, and wit, and have made significant contributions to various fields such as politics, arts, and sciences.